Hello, 5th graders. It's time for another English lesson. I hope you are ready for today's lesson, because the title of our lesson today is Food Preparation and Cooking Tools. My colleague Katarina Duhović and I prepared this lesson together, but I will be your teacher today. My name is Ondina Sambolek. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to name some food preparation verbs and some cooking tools. You will be able to describe what we use cooking tools for, and you will be able to understand the text about pancakes. For this lesson, you need a notebook, a pen or a pencil, your mobile phone or a computer, internet access, and a QR code reader. At any time of this video lesson, if you need more time, you can pause the lesson, do your tasks, and then play it again to see if you did it correctly. Are you ready? Let's start. Now think about the question you see on the screen. What's your favorite food? What do you like to eat, dear students? Are you a pasta lover and you love all kinds of pasta? Do you like to eat with a spoon? Do you like soup? Maybe you have a sweet tooth like I do. And you love sweet tasting foods like cakes or puddings. Do you like fast food? What's your favorite type of fast food? Today, we are talking about food preparation and cooking tools. Think of your favorite meal. Can you prepare it? How do you prepare your favorite meal? Let me help you. In order to prepare your favorite meal, you need to know what cooking tools to use, and you need to be familiar with some food preparation verbs. Let's start with cooking tools. Take a look at these pictures. There are 5 cooking tools on the screen. Listen to the words and repeat them. A whisk, a bowl, a frying pan, a ladle, a plate. What do we use these cooking tools for? Take a look. We use a whisk to beat eggs. We use a bowl to mix ingredients. We use a frying pan to make pancakes. We use a ladle to pour or add ingredients. And we use a plate to serve pancakes. Do you know how to make pancakes? If you don't, then this is the place where you should be right now. Pause the video lesson now and read the text. Find out what you need to do in order to make pancakes. Okay, now it's time for your task. Pause the lesson again, copy these 5 questions into your notebooks, and answer them. After you answer the questions, play the lesson again to check if you did it correctly. Okay, check your answers. What cooking tools do you need to make pancakes? You need a bowl, a whisk, a ladle, a frying pan, and a plate. What do you need to do first? You need to break the eggs and put them in the bowl. What do you beat the eggs with? You beat the eggs with a whisk. What do you need to add in the bowl? You need to add some sugar, salt, flour and milk. And the last question, what do you use to pour the batter into the frying pan? Take a look. You use a ladle to pour the batter. I hope you have answered all your questions correctly. What do we use it for? Take a look at the picture. What's this? That's it, it's a whisk. What do we use a whisk for? We use a whisk to beat eggs. Now take a look at another one. What's this? It's a frying pan. What do we use a frying pan for? We use a frying pan to make pancakes. Now it's your turn. Look at the picture and say what we use it for. What's this? A ladle. What do we use a ladle for? We use a ladle to pour the batter. What is this? A bowl. What do we use a bowl for? We use a bowl to mix ingredients. And the last picture, do you know what this is? A plate, very good. What do we use a plate for? Do you remember from the text? We use a plate to serve pancakes. Your task is to copy this task into your notebooks and fill in the gaps. Pause the video lesson to do it, and after you finish, play it again to check if you did it correctly. Okay, I hope you have finished your task. Now let's check. Number 1. We need a bowl to mix ingredients. Number 2. We need a ladle to pour the batter. Number 3. We need a whisk to beat eggs. Number 4. We need a frying pan to make pancakes. And the last one, we need a plate to serve pancakes. It's time you check the vocabulary and phrases that we have talked about today. Copy the links you see, bit.ly food_preparation or bit.ly food preparation, and do the tasks. You can also scan the QR codes. Good luck! Now it's time for you to check your progress. Put a tick or a cross. If you can do all this, put a tick. If you can't do it, then put a cross. I can name food preparation verbs. I can name cooking tools. I can describe what we use cooking tools for. And I can understand the text about pancakes. I hope that you can do all these things and that you are ready for one more task today. How do you feel about today's lesson? Do you understand everything that we talked about? Or do you think you understand? Maybe you need help? If you do, you can always watch the video lesson one more time. And we have come to an end of our lesson today. Thank you, dear students. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson and see you some other time. Goodbye.